You know where.
Alaba you couldn't with a match. Are you serious? You know, say this idiot, this woman, that woman where they call herself your madam, she no get shame. She no get respect. Say she see person will be like you. Person we don't be old to be mama. They send you say you go buy abortion drugs for her. Oh God, Fiawa.
Theophilus.
I tell you, she know her bag of shame don't scatter.
Theophilus, Bia, you said the pill is for abortion.
Ah, you they talk this one. You won't hear that from my mouth. Like say you no be woman again, so you won't make I tell you everything. They tell me say she ain't child abortion. You won't hear that from my mouth. I they buy her from her steady. I mean they said they tell me make I don't buy entire.
You,
I tell you, that woman, shame no day.
But she talks it in the seller for pharmacy.
Oh, not for pharmacy. When she tells you they sell her. No, not be only pharmacy. They sell them for that place where they sell orgy. No, you see that place where they sell plank. Now they where they sell them. I beg you go buy for go.
Theophilus.
Let me Theophilus.
Theophilus. For once in your life, be serious.
I know they're serious. Like say you don't know what you want to go buy. Like say you don't know where they sell them. Like say you don't know so that pharmacy they sell abortion.
I don't get your time at the company.
That pharmacy, you know, not be pharmacy they sell abortion. Not be pharmacy they sell abortion. They tell me say, no one they say I go buy abortion. Like she don't know. No, not be pharmacy. They sell them for Bogonogo. Oh. My God. Imagine woman will not get shame. You know person, fine. Okay, now say now your mama person say me you go buy abortion for him. You go like him. You go like him idiot. What you concern me? My own be say I dey enjoy for here, for this house. It's an enjoyment time I day. And before you know it now, by next week now, more to go end. She go pay me my 100 pa. And then Oga go see adding own 30 pa. And everywhere go soft. I go the for this. You don't concern me. Tell me go buy abortion. Oga, what he say? You don't marry woman. You don't know say you no go born again. That's why they drink abortion. All the abortion why don't they buy for that? In fact, by now, I believe say her womb go don't finish. Your womb go don't finish.
Yeah, I've been trying to get my head to. Yes, come in.
Which one is? Why? No, lie on the floor. Lie down there. Eh? So you are the one that turned on the TV in the sitting room and would not let me have peace in my own house again. What's that volume for? I'm asking you now, you are keeping your face like expired rice.
Madam, what is the volume for?
Madam, I was watching TV.
You were watching TV? In my sitting room? Now let me ask you. In your whole kingdom, your village, including your king, your family, your generation, both the ones that has passed and the one that will come, does anyone have that kind of TV? Have you ever sat down to watch a 50 inches TV before? You balanced in my sitting room, enjoying yourself. Madam, I was watching TV. See how, my friend, balance that your face. Come on, put a smile on that face. Nonsense. My darling, you said you wanted something to eat, yeah?
Yes, baby. I'll do pasta and chicken wings.
You heard him.
He said he wants pasta and chicken wings, and please make it spicy. Who could that you about kind of a rice you give him?
This is pasta. Alright?
Madam, please, what is that?
Huh?
What is what?
That thing brother said.
Yeah, Teresa. 30 minutes is all I give to you to get that food ready. If you don't get that food ready in 30 minutes, if I come downstairs, you will not like me. And don't say so. Ask what I'm sorry. My friend, get out from here. Zuza. Sorry, madam. You see it?
She's such a dummy.
I don't know what she's always sorry about.
Wait, don't get yourself broke.
Really?
I love the feeling of your hands in my hair.
I like feeling of my hands and my hair.
Great that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember?
Oh. Here's your juice, madam.
Thank you.
Please, madam.
What is please? What is it?
I want to ask you for a small favor.
Listen, if it has got anything to do with money, wait for your boss to return.
Hey, madam, it's about my small son. He's seriously sick. I need money to buy medicine for him.
Did you hear me? Or you're just feigning to be deaf? I said wait for your boss to return.
Hey, madam,
What is wrong with you?
It's a matter of life and death. Because help me.
Teresa, keep short and don't annoy me this afternoon. What is wrong with you? Why are you asking me for financial favors? Do I look like a bank to you? Or did I not just tell you to wait for your Oga to return? Am I the one who employed you? What is wrong with you? Now listen to me and listen good. The next time you ask me for financial favor, you know go like me. But get out of this place.
I'm sorry, madam.
Sorry for your silly self. Yes. Come back. Who did you leave this tray for?
Oh, I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry.
Why do you keep saying sorry? What are you sorry about? See her slippers. Go back. Just going to enjoy this beautiful selfie on my phone right now. It's very good.
You love it, huh?
I love it, baby. Apply more pressure, please. There. Are you tickling me?
I'm not tickling you.
Wow. Hi. Trouser, don't they go up small? Before you know it down, wow. Everything go there for ground.
Theophilus, what is it?
See, I never receive a lot too. Which can wahala this one now? Which can trouble with this one now?
Theophilus, I'll send you the money. Just calm down.
You send the money to me. See, I'm not supposed to remind you all this thing now. Eh? Oga when no dey here, where they far, don't even wire me my salary. Why come be you when they here? When you say me and you dey here?
Theophilus, it's okay. I'll send you the money now.
Send it now. So the way you suppose don't do since. Must I come here and remind you for all these things? They come blessing and trouble.
Sent.
I never never see anything, no.
Did I not just show you the debit alert?
You never enter here now. You go enter here, I go touch, I never see him. Nah. You don't enter now. Correct. If you do like this, we're not going to quarrel now. Yeah? See, as you just enter that. See, something will be say you supposed to do, you don't come do one. You don't know say na sin. Yeah? If to say as we did here now, wow, I did where I did receive and town. I for enter here. I for not enter here. See, trouser with the go up. It's possible. Yeah?
Theophilus, have I sent you the money or not?
You don't send them now.
So what are you still doing here? Allow me have my space.
No. You don't get problem. I'll give you space. But the thing be say, it be like I go come out. You know, say, as this thing don't enter now. You don't look me like that. See, myself, I get babe. You understand? I get babe. As this money enter now, you know, I need to go flex my babe. Touch places where we say she need make her touch her. All those gearbox where all you know I need to put all in there for the gearbox, serving the gearbox, make it there flexible. Then the carburetor, all those places where they don't rust, need to put cleaner, you know, so that you go there. You supposed to understand me now. Must I tell you everything? You don't understand what I mean? You don't understand?
Theophilus, so when I want to go out, who opens the gate?
Teresa did the language you could do now. You too, you could help up now. Nobody to sit down here, cross leg, make this idiot. They push the trouser go up. This is a combined effort. If Teresa know they're available, you help them. They are like us, so I can know they're available now. This idiot they help. Now combined service. Long service, the other evening service, you go do them. You understand? Now mutual understanding. You understand?
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Yes, no, enjoy. See face. God, see. I don't see how. The trouser, your trouser, you know, the shape don't change. I know as the position there before, but now, the position don't go one side. Before you know it, now, no jogger. Don't worry. No, continue. As you know, say, that time where I enter, your leg be on top, try to go. As you come back, when I start from continue from where I stop. You understand?
Theophilus, please, can you allow me? I've sent the money to you. What are you still doing?
No, now the next place I say we're gonna continue. You understand? Come, who they look like that? You see this idiot, why they look like that? Who they look like that? The what? Idiot, see face. Don't worry, they do what they do. One day it will happen. One day, you see that Oburu, that place where you are supposed to day, you go catch fire. And when you catch fire, the only you go punch up.
Theophilus!
This guy is beginning to get on my nerves. Really, he is.
You calm down. Continue, please.
I be getting man, we get his swag and my madam, they under my control. Anything I want to, she go do. She no get choice at all. If not money I want to, she go give me double. To safeguard her little secret I know. She be not for this house. You go here, Messia give any, but then no. She na me and you for this house. You go here, na big man on life. I go deliver. With this your little secret where I know. To close my mouth to madam, oh, you must pay the Leo. Jay, oh, you come and see my getting man swaggy. Madam, Messia give I so any, but then.
You know, sir, stop in this gate now. Come, look at, choose you. See, who they give food. What are this now? What can we now? What can maybe just enter. Yes, so this is it.
Good day.
Come. I know they like this nonsense. So.
Welcome.
Thank you. Now my cook. Yes. I they pay them. I mean, you know, you get as person good day, just they do it. I don't want to suffer you. I just employ and wow, so that you go they cook something for you. Yeah. Now my baby be this. You understand?
Welcome.
What be this now? Do like human being, no they do like teddy bear. Welcome. You don't sleep, they catch you. I better lock this gate.
Your uncle's house is so big and beautiful.
Okay, you like the house? It's beautiful. I know. Say you go like him. Yes. Bia Teresa. Bia, come close. See, this is my baby. The only sugar in my tea. My wife to be. In fact, my wife. You understand? I can't come make she come see where I stay. You don't take away they worry me. So no play with them. You understand me? You don't hear what? No play with them. They concur.
Yes, sir.
See, if you enter inside now, I want you to make wonderful meal. Baby, what do you go chop? No problem. Just go inside, do toasted bread, and then 8 eggs, fry it. No, make it 10. 10 fried eggs with juice, so that.
How many juice?
One go there.
One, yes.
Make it two. You there here. Juice full everywhere now. Egg full everywhere, juice full everywhere. I'm going to talk 1, 2, so that you go enjoy well. You understand? So no waste my time. See, no waste my time, oh. No, you don't hear me?
Okay.
Go inside, go inside. Go. You happy, right? Yeah. Who is my uncle? God! Uncle is an idiot. That idiot, that man, he travel. No only be this and that, and they run and nothing they happen. You don't get problem. I dey here, baby. You like it, eh?
Your uncle's house is fine.
That's so. No. See. If now you dey, say your house fine though, not be uncle. Because the uncle, my uncle no dey.
Okay, your house is fine.
Uncle, who is uncle? He's an idiot. He cannot do anything. Just go inside, nothing there happen. You go forget it. Just relax, nothing there. Yeah. Enter inside. You want what you see for outside, that rubbish. If you enter inside, I dare enter outside.
I be getting man, we get his swag and my madam, they under my control. Anything I want to, she go do. She no get choice.
Harry. Good day, ma.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
Ma'am,
You what? You don't? Who is she? How did she get into my house?
Oh, what did happen?
your boyfriend.
Yes, yes. What did happen here?
Oh,
No, make I know what did happen.
your girlfriend.
Shit, I hope she don't harass her.
Come on now.
Wait. They harass you? She don't harass you, Abi? Come. I hope she don't put something for this drink. Huh?
I'm so sorry. I didn't know she's your visitor.
Visiting? Come. I don't tell you say I get babe. Now my babe or some visitor. Now my babe.
Oh, babe.
Yes.
How nice. You're welcome, darling.
Thank
she's
you,
quite beautiful.
Thank you.
You see this way talk now? I like him.
Oh.
She's beautiful.
Theo.
You have come. What is that? Why they spoil my name? What do you mean Theo? What do you mean Theo? See, my name no be Theo. My name na Theo. Theo. If you come with Theo, not Yeah. Call and make I hear you. Yes, so relax, nothing they happen. See.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a nice time, okay?
Yeah, sit down. You dey fear? Sit down. Nobody get power. I mean they charge. In fact, as you dey here now, you get level pass everybody waiting for this house. You get level pass out. No, you don't need to tell me this scared. See, now me they here, now me they in charge. If you want to sit down like this. Nothing they happen. You understand? Now you get house. Now your baby get the house. Now, what TV? See, if that idiot will call herself Teresa, if she no do well now, you go just enter kitchen, do everything, nothing they happen. You understand?
Okay.
Now you in the here, relax. Yeah. Oh, we wait people they call them. Feel at home. Feel at home. You understand? No, nothing. Just drink. When you don't drink this one now, then Teresa go give us the toasted bread and the eggs. Go chop and finish. Then we go climb up under AC. You go come out on this thing. Wow. You there lata. You understand? We go give you that. You know what I mean? Because the whole sana. You understand the sana? Okay. I beg. Teresa! Wait, make I go know what that idiot they do for kitchen. No fear. If anybody enter here, don't stand up again. Nothing they happen. Now you get house, relax. You understand me? Nobody. See, if anybody come here, no just stand up. Sit down, just relax. Nothing they happen. Anybody will come here, hey, look out. Eyeball to eyeball. No fear. Now me they. We they here, nothing they happen. You understand? Nothing they happen. Yeah. Teresa. Yeah. Now this Teresa, an idiot. She see they do that nonsense. And now this one now original wine. I say make I forget this one. Hold on, make I give you.
This is the last I am going to take this. I mean, Jesus, I am so livid right now. I am so upset that I don't even know what to do right now.
What's going on?
You wouldn't believe it. I went downstairs to have a word with Teresa. Getting to my sitting room, I saw a dirty little brat in my sitting room. Before I could say a word, Theophilus appeared from nowhere, telling me the girl is his girlfriend. He invited her over to my house. He brought a girl to my house. As if that was not enough, he offered her drink from my fridge. It was just so I was so close to strangling him. Jesus Christ. How do I deal with this?
I wonder why all our plans to eliminate that fool hasn't worked out yet, because that's the only way out.
My dear, that is almost near impossible. The new one he has learned now is to tell me to taste everything I give to him to eat or drink. Can you imagine that? How am I supposed to deal with that? How?
Why is he behaving this way? I mean, it's so wrong for him to bring his girlfriend into the house. The neighbors might see him and tell Alice. And that is very dangerous to our plan. Babe, this is what you are going to do. Go downstairs and tell him to move the girl to a hotel that you are going to foot the bills. Just anything that will take him and the girl out of the house.
Jesus Christ, I don't know how to deal with this young man. I'm still trying to deal with the fact that he collects money from me like I'm an ATM. Now this, a girl in my house. I mean,
just calm down, okay?
You know, I am trying so hard to calm down. Eva, just take it easy. Take it easy. Calm down. Just calm down. Take it easy. I actually called you out here so that we can have a one-on-one talk. See, you can actually do anything else you want in this house. But you see this, your girlfriend. She can't be here. Yes. If your Oga comes back, what do you want us to tell him? Eh? How do we explain this to him? He will not be happy about this. You're not supposed to bring a girl home now. Theophilus, it's not nice. See, I'm begging you. I'm not quarreling. I'm not fighting. Please, just take the girl out of this house. Anywhere you want to take her to, a hotel, just anywhere, but just take her out of this house. Wherever you take her to, I'll pay.
Okay. Make a car and go anywhere, you go pay.
Anywhere.
Anything you go eat, drink, you tab, everything, you go pay, Abi?
Yes, I'll pay.
Okay. No, since what say, that was no problem. You understand, but no verse, you understand, no verse. You know, we think that they can come here, come to say here in my brother's house. Now, because this girl don't finish me, so that she would respect me. Now, as I did, I know well, Konji don't finish me. Oh, yeah, every time you just me, here go, you go down. What if that now? You know what they say? Yeah, you get on though.
No.
But they don't really, let's say the smell. I say, yeah, the moment you don't finish. So I just say, make a crap so that she could respect me. You understand? You know, so that if I finally can go hotel anywhere, she will give me the access to the touch. The touch, and then enter the other side. You understand? Yeah? Then you say, make a crap come for hotel.
No, it's not a problem. I'll pay, okay?
You pay, Abi?
Just take her.
See what you go happen. You go first of all transfer money to my account. So I go now. So that when I reach there, we'll talk, we'll do all that things. I cannot call you, say, see or see the bill. Abi?
Okay.
What you I will pay. You don't know be so big come out for okay?
I just said I will pay.
But you know when they take they do, I say, I will pay.
Theophilus, please just take her out.
Come. See. No. Eh? Boy, I'm gonna go there. Knock out, chop chicken, chop fowl, chop drink, do everything. Come give her my bago. She will pay.
I be getting man, we get his swag and my madam, they under my control. Anything I want, yeah, she go do. She no get choice at all. If not money I want, she go give me double. To save Fugadi, her little secret I know. She be not for this house. You go hear Messi, I give any, you better no. She na me and you for this house. You go hear na big man on life, I go deliver. With this your little secret, where I know.
Wait, you mean you're at the airport right now? No, but of course I'm happy. I'm just surprised. I mean, you didn't tell me you were coming back today. Okay, it's all right. I'll wait for you then. All right. Theresa! Theresa! Wait. Theresa! How many times do I have to call you before you answer? Please go inside the kitchen. The soup in the freezer. Defroze it. Oga is almost close. Yes, madam. Go. Sorry, madam. She's always sorry. Sorry for what? Maurice. Get up.
Babe.
Stand up. Listen, we have an emergency. You need to leave now. Put on your clothes. We need to go.
What's going on?
Alex is back. He's at the airport right now. You need to leave.
Oh,
stand.
Alex.
Why are you mumbling? Can you just stand up already?
Okay.
Please.
grab my clothes.
Do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hide, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting.
Baby.
Hey, puppy! Look who we have here. You're welcome. Oh, you were welcome. How was your trip?
It was fine. The trip itself went well. It's just that on my way back, the car started giving me issues.
I was going to say, because it took you so much time from the airport to the house.
Yeah, and then I called Ade, number switched off. I've been calling for hours.
Oh.
Yes, and I have another round to make this evening, and I'm thinking if we can call the other guy. I think the other time he came here, he did a good job. So just call him, to look at the car and see what the problem is.
Who?
The guy, I don't know his name. The guy that was fixing my car one time, he said the car didn't start. I had just returned from a trip.
Oh, Morris.
Yes. I complained why you'd let a new person touch my car, and you told me that, okay, Theophilus had brought him in. So both of you exchanged contacts, and you remember we paid him 20,000.
Yes, I remember.
Yes.
And I think his number is on my phone.
Please.
Okay, I'll just I'll go upstairs quickly and get my phone so I could call him. I'll just
all right, please.
You're welcome.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah, that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Okay, I just spoke to him over the phone. He's coming.
Oh, you called him already? I was thinking that I talked to him directly. That way I tell him what exactly I suspect is wrong with the car, so he comes ready.
Don't worry, he's very good at his job, so I think he'll fix it. Not to worry.
Whew, all right then, thank you. I need to stretch and rest. Huh?
Yes, you need to. You look really tired.
I'm tired. 1 second, let me quickly. Okay, let me try and Huh?
Yeah, you need to have a shower.
Great that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is waiting, oh. Great that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting.
Oh,
What?
I thought you said you wanted to have
Yeah, I was going to, but So let me sit with you a while, you know.
That's very sweet of you.
Right.
So do you want me to fix you something too?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, okay, that's him.
the mechanic is here.
Oh, okay.
Boris.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, hello.
The thing is, my husband's car's got a little issue and we need you to fix it.
Okay.
Oh, Theophilus.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yes. You were not at your duty post when I returned.
Yes, sir, I want to buy something. I normally go to buy something for madam. You didn't tell him that you said.
Oh yes, I actually asked him to get me something.
Okay.
So that.
Okay, sir, what is wrong with the car?
I'll tell you shortly.
Are you expecting anyone? Why do we have police officers here? What's going on?
Okay, please.
What is going on here?
Well, I will tell you what is going on here. In fact, you are a lying and a cheating wife who takes advantage of my nephew's busy schedule to sneak in your worthless and stupid boyfriend to come and sleep with you under your matrimonial roof.
Excuse me the hell out of you. Who the hell are you to speak to me in that manner? Speak to
I'll
me
tell you who she is, you lying bitch. Eva, how can you do this? What did I do to you? Oh my God, Eva, I loved you, like, with all of my heart. The one job I had to do was just to love you and care for you. And what do? I travel to work hard so that I can give us a good life. And what do? You bring this little prick into our home. And you sleep with him. As if that wasn't enough, you make an attempt on my life. You try to poison me so that I can die untimely. Why? I have done nothing but to love you selflessly, Eva. You do all of that under my roof in connivance with this riffraff that I picked off the street. This is how you all do me. This is how you do me. This is how you tell me thank you for being a good husband. You do me like this.
You need to calm down. You need to listen to
You
me.
shut up! Explain what? Are you so shameless? Are you this cruel? So after all the atrocities you committed, you still have the nerves to open your mouth and ask forgiveness? For forgiveness?
What came over me? I don't know what came over me.
The die is cast. Take your lousy self out of here! Officers!
Okay, no follow.
But for today, one more word from you, I swear.
Officers, do your job!
It's not the day. Officers, please pick these people up. Your job.
Officers, do you need me to teach you your job?
You are not going. You're not going to touch me. You are not going to touch me. Move.
Officers, do I need to teach you your job?
Officers! Do your job, please.
Hey, my friend, keep quiet. You all have to remain silent. You all are under arrest for the offense of conspiracy, attempted murder, and other offenses. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in the law court.
I'm an informant.
Shut up your mouth! Move!
Shut up!
It's just a matter of time. for somebody know. Do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Do you still remember? Mama is always waiting. Do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Do you still remember? Mama is waiting. Do you still remember?
It's okay.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah. Do you still remember? Mama is always waiting at the door. Do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Oh, yeah. Do you still remember that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside? It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin. Oh, yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is waiting at the door. Yeah. Do you remember that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside? It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you hiding, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody the secret.
I feel that my wife is having an affair with my kid man. It sounds weird, but I can see it. Like it's obvious. The signs are everywhere. Something is going on. Something is off in my house. But I just need proof. You know?
I don't think he's your gate man.
What are you talking about? What, are you trying to say that my wife is sleeping around? No. Different man. You know what? I'm here for that test you talked about. Yeah.
Allow me to come in this way. I feel this will make your finding more easier. Does your wife know all your family members?
Some of them were out of the country when we got married, you know. She hasn't seen all of them.
Okay.
But eventually she will, you know.
How about you call one of your aunties to come play as your maid?
What?
Do you have any favorite aunt?
Yes, I have a favorite aunt. Her name is Auntie Theresa. You know.
Okay, good. This Auntie Teresa, does your wife know her?
No, they haven't met, and Auntie Theresa was out of the country undergoing treatment when we got married.
And what about your gate man?
But like I said, she hasn't been to my place. She only just returned to the country, so Theophilus does not know her.
Okay, good. So, why not bring in Auntie Teresa to play as your maid? She'll be the one to give you the information you need. She'll tell you everything that has been going on in your house, in your absence. Then take a time off, relax, just travel, go somewhere. Be calm. Until your aunt tells you to start coming. By then, she must have gathered everything you need to know. That sounds good.
I have to do all of this because this is ridiculous, you know. I have to reduce my Auntie Theresa to a house help in my house because my wife has chosen to be dodgy and irresponsible. Huh?
That's the game. You're lucky none of them knows Auntie Theresa.
No, that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting oh. Do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting at the door. Yeah, do you remember? That thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah. Do you still remember? Karma is waiting oh. Yeah, that thing you do in the secret must be exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that's your little secret that you're hiding. And you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that's your secret that you're hiding, yeah. How long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody, no. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin, oh. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is waiting oh. Yeah, do you remember? exposed in the outside. It's just a matter of time, and everybody we know that your little secret that you're hiding, and you think nobody we know. It's just a matter of time. Hey, everybody we know that your secret that you're hiding. Yeah, how long can you hide it and keep it? Pay for somebody know. Hey, do you still remember? Nothing is hidden under the sun. Yeah, do you still remember? Karma is always waiting at the door. Hey, do you still remember? There's a payback for every sin.
They say that true love is a once in a lifetime experience. But with you, Juliet, it looks like life has given us a second chance to try. I have been through hell and back, but you have stood by me like a rock. Time have proven you to be my strongest ally. Even though I'm scared to try again. But the heart wants what it wants. I'd like to try again with you. So I've come here to ask that you be mine for the rest of our lives.
Yes, I will. I have always longed to be with you. I will.
Did I stop loving you? I'm not sure. Come here.
She no get choice at all, no. Jay, if not money I want to, she go give me double. To save Fugadi, her little secret I know. Jay, she been out for this house, you go hear no. Messia give any, you better no. Jay, she na me and you for this house, you go hear no. Na big man on life, I go deliver. With this your little secret where I know to close my mouth to madam, oh, you must pay dearly, oh. Jay, oh, you come and see my getting man swaggy, oh. Madam, Messia give I so any, but Oti, oh, yeah, no be smarty, no. Jay, I be getting man, we getting swag.